is gonna come. Morning, another weekend has come, and I have come with myself. Thankfully, I made it क्योंकि I was a bit skeptical as in today vlog हो पाएगा कि नहीं. By the way, I'm so sorry because of this face क्योंकि I just got up and I thought that whatever happens, vlogging should be done क्योंकि I'm just trying to be better at it, and also it's a new habit. A lot of things has to be said today, a lot of things has to be done today. So without wasting any further time, let's go, let's get ready. Pehle to let's look a bit decent. Get started. हाय गाइस, सो y'all have seen कि मैंने जल्दी से ब्रश और फेस वॉश कर लिया, एंड नाउ आई विल क्विकली डू सम वेरी लाइट मेकअप. मतलब कि आई जस्ट पुट सम सनस्क्रीन एंड देन यूल गेट टू सी. बट मीन वाइल करते करते द मेन प्लान इज़ टू हैव अ गॉसिप. नाउ पीछे म्यूज़िक चल रहा है मेरे रूम पे. I'll just switch that off and come, नहीं तो copyright के issues लग जाएंगे. The main reason for this get ready और क्या बोलते हैं the morning skin care with me is पहले तो skin care में कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. It's not a lot fussy. It's very simple. Just clean your face and take enough sunscreen. So today's agenda for the day is just being at home. So there's no much ट्रैवलिंग, नो गोइंग आउट. सो मैं थोड़ा सोच के ही सनस्क्रीन यूज़ करूँगी बिकॉज हम गरीब हैं तो ज़्यादा वी कांट अफोर्ड. एंड सो द गॉसिप, एक तो सिट विथ मी वीडियो नहीं हो रहा, मतलब सिट एंड टॉक विथ मी वीडियो नहीं हो रहा था. सो आई थॉट वाई नॉट जस्ट डू समथिंग लाइक दिस. Now, I don't know how many of you are actually coming back and seeing my vlogs, बट ट्रस्ट मी, अगर जो लोग भी वापस आके एक दो बार भी देख रहे हो, मतलब आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज रिटेंशन ऑफ माई व्यूअर्स. सो द पीपल जो कि पहले वाला व्लॉग देख के फिर से दोबारा आ रहे हो मेरे चैनल पे, ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, दिस इज़ गोना बी अ ब्लास्ट. मतलब व्हेन आई से कि कुछ अच्छा करने वाली हूँ, आई genuinely mean it. So yeah, thank you to all of you who are coming back and watching my vlogs. I think it's gonna be fun, and I'm also very proud of myself because I never in my life thought कि मैं vlogs करूँगी या तो I'll be talking to you guys or I'll actually come out of the wall that I had built around myself. But trust me guys, मैं पहले बोली थी in the first vlog that there's a huge reason for me to start vlogging. Now I'm always this calling guys कि कुछ बड़ा करना है, कुछ तो करना है. Like I've always from my childhood अच्छा क्वेश्चन ये रहेगा, मैं यहाँ पे लिख दूँगी what I wanted to become in my childhood करके ऐसा ऐसा. I've always wanted to be an actress. I've always wanted to be famous. अब when I was in standard 1 or 2 ना, मुझे उतना आइडिया नहीं था कि एक्टिंग क्या होते हैं, एक्ट्रेसेस क्या होते हैं. मुझे बस ये पता था कि I always liked attention a lot. Attention as in good attention. I'm also very picky from my childhood कि मुझे ना, even with my घर वाले, I don't usually talk to anyone like people who really know me, my friends, though they don't know that I'm vlogging because I genuinely don't want to like embarrass myself ये सब करके, and you never know if they are somewhere judging you. तो ये सब ना मेरी insecurities है, ये थोड़े थोड़े करके कभी ना कभी बताएंगे. But the thing is I rarely get time to talk. So also I'm shy, so I'm still like figuring out how to vlog and all that, and most of the times my roommate is there. So today she has been out for a bachelorette party to Goa. So that's the reason मैं ना सोचा कि चलो थोड़ा utilize करते हैं time को because the main purpose is actually still not getting out there for me to come to YouTube. So I'm getting very impatient. एक तो आई एम स्टिल फिगरिंग आउट हाउ टू स्ट्रक्चर द ब्लॉग्स एंड ऑल दैट, क्योंकि मुझ में उतना आइडिया नहीं है. एंड इवन दो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन इंटरेस्टेड इन कमिंग आउट देयर, बट आई नेवर थॉट आई विल एक्चुअली. एंड इफ यू लुक एट माई ब्लॉग्स देयर इज नो प्रॉपर, मतलब ऐसे कोई ना प्लानिंग प्रॉपर फ्लो नहीं है. आई जस्ट कीप ब्लैबरिंग आउट देयर बिकॉज देयर इज सो मच in my head to talk about. So just give me a moment, guys. Now after the skincare is done, okay, just give me a moment. Well, I'm so sorry, guys. My parents had video called me. So the thing is, my dad is in the country after a long time, like almost after a year. So they went out somewhere, and it's winter. So we have this very, crazy thing about picnics in Kolkata. So yeah, in Bengali we call it Chorui Bhati. So they have gone there, and they had video called me, and it's a thing that we cannot miss out on video calls or calls from home. At least I can't. So yeah, so that's it, guys. Anyway, coming back to the topic, I my this thing is also, what do you call it? Sunscreen applying is done. So after that I don't do much, as I said, right? इसके बाद straight I have this Blue Heaven का, it's this blush, okay, it's a stick blush in the shade Muted Peach. I'm not sure if, I don't know how to show, guys. I roll it out like this, and I just put it on the cheek slightly, and then I dab it with my fingers. Trust me, guys, when I say I don't really like to do any kind of makeup, I personally feel I look so pretty just with this sunscreen or a moisturizer and some mascara and a lip balm and a good color lip balm. I mean, I am good to go, and I've realized that over time, whenever I apply makeup on my face, I don't really look that good, and I don't like myself after makeup. So I avoid doing makeup most of the times. I have never, like, I think once or twice in my entire lifetime I've done makeup, and I didn't really like myself, so I avoid doing makeup. Okay, now again, a little bit on the nose, but I'm sure a lot of girls are into makeup, and I really appreciate them because it's an art, I believe. So if you like doing makeup, please do it. I mean, I am no one to really say not to, but it's just my personal feeling that I don't look that great with makeup, so I avoid it. But the reason behind today now doing this is because I thought, let's quickly get some shootings done. So that's the reason. Bit of blush, and I'll also apply a bit of kajal, liner today, because when I see my my vlogs, right, I feel like I look very dull compared to, how it's supposed to be. Because in other vlogs I see girls, they're really decked up and all of that, and whereas me, if you see, I just come out of nowhere just like that. Next, I'll just apply a lip balm. Now this is my favorite. I cannot live without it. If you see, I've used so much of it, like a lot, but it's still there. So the best thing is that I love it. Hi guys. So the liner is also done. काफ़ी हल्के से लाइनर भी किया. पहले ना, I used to be so good at putting liners. I think I was saying in another video also कि हर कोई मुझे बुलाता था घर पे, अगर there's any शादी function whatever, people used to call me कि तू बस आओ लाइनर पहना के जा. But now it is so difficult for myself also. I mean, it keeps shivering my hand. It might be because I smoke up. That also might be a reason, but I'm not sure. So this is how it looks, guys. I'm definitely gonna be changing the t-shirt because this is my office uniform. If you can see, office का t-shirt है, यहाँ पे नाम लिखा हुआ है सुविधास करके. Yes, guys, I am in love with my company. I am in love with where I work right now. Not only because the people are good, it is also because I get a lot of time for myself, to be very honest, and which was one of my primary needs when I quit my last organization and I started looking out for other jobs, because I realized that in a corporate life it is very important to have a sane mind. एक पीस ऑफ माइंड की बहुत ज़रूरत है. सो आई रियलाइज दैट firstly I need time, a sane mind, and also it's not something that I planned for over the long term. So I didn't want to really waste my energy and time on doing something, spending so much time energy on something which is not my long term plan. So this organization I get a lot of time for myself. मैं खुद भी पढ़ाई करती रहती हूँ, and I love to study, guys. I love to always keep learning things, and yeah, so I think I'm just happy nowadays. So this is the glow. यही glow होता है if you know, if you are just happy and if you do you. Trust me, guys, you really don't need anyone. Not a single man will be required in your life if you just listen to me. That's all I can say. Moving on, I'm thinking I'll put थोड़ा सा लिप एक ये क्या है, एक मैट लिपस्टिक है. I don't know if I should go with this, but trust me, I don't know, like I see myself in the mirror and then I see myself in the camera. I look so different. मतलब mirror पे I think I look way better than what I look in front of the camera. It's so sad, but I think it is my camera का problem. क्योंकि मेरा फ़ोन उतना हाई कॉन्फ़िगरेशन नहीं होता, हाई रेजोल्यूशन के कैमरा नहीं है. सो या विल एडजस्ट फॉर द टाइम बीइंग अंटिल आई गेट रिच इनफ टू एकदम अचानक से टक से एक दिन आईफोन खरीद के लेके आ जाऊँगी. सो या टिल दैट डे वी आर गोना बी गेटिंग यूज्ड टू दिस नॉर्मल फ़ोन वाला वाइब. थोड़ा सा ही लगाया, गाइज, बिकॉज क्या है ना, द लिप बाम दैट आई पुट, एज यू ऑल सॉ, इट्स लाइक पूरा पूरा पिंक कलर का है. एंड दिस द मैट लिपस्टिक वॉज स्लाइटली ऑन द ऑरेंज टोन. सो या वी डिड नॉट पुट अ लॉट. लेकिन सेइंग दैट, लेट्स गेट आउट ऑफ द वॉशरूम, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से वॉशरूम के अंदर है. I just love the washroom, guys, because I think the color is really bright inside, and it just looks good inside. On, I will room the guys. I don't know, मतलब क्या करूँ अभी, किधर से shoot करूँ. This is the major problem that I face. I think this looks quite good. Yeah, so I will quickly go get changed and then let's sit down and come to the main part of this vlog. So I am back. मैं बैठ चुकी हूँ. I have changed my top also. और सच बताओ तो अभी तक I was just dancing around. I didn't do anything. But yeah, now I'm back with something very interesting. Okay, with something very interesting. So it's it has been quite some time that I think a lot of you guys also might have noticed abhi tak ki I have got this hair fall issues. So I was contemplating from a long time कि if I should buy, I mean मुझे कोई डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए, या तो थोड़ा कोई PRP सेशन ले लूँ, या तो हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट करवा लूँ. बट आई वॉज ऑल्सो लाइक ये सब ना दिमाग में आ रहा था. सो देन व्हाट हैपेंड इज माई रूममेट सेड दैट कहीं पे शी हैज़ सीन समवन यूजिंग ट्राया. ऑलराइट. सो एंड इट रियली वर्कड आउट. तो मैंने ना वो सुना अपने कानों पे, एंड there you go, I have ordered Traya. Okay, now um, let's unbox Traya with you guys. And not only Traya, I have also ordered a lot of things जो कि मैं धीरे धीरे करके ही दिखा पाऊँगी because you know a few of the things are yet to be delivered and a few of the things I've gotten it immediately after my salary day क्योंकि Blinkit Zepto पे आजकल you almost get most of the things that you need if you're in the tier 1 cities mostly. So yeah, let's get started with the very awaiting Traya unbox haul. There you go. ये जाएगा thumbnail पे guys. Traya. Just click a picture and I'll come back guys. So guys, I literally wanted to do this unboxing with you guys क्योंकि I also wanted reviews and I am also sure कि a lot of you guys must be suffering from this similar kind of hair fall issues and related issues. So उन लोगों के लिए it might be helpful. Also I will give थोड़ा सा ज्ञान भी तो सुन लेना अगर आप लोगों को मज़ा आए तो. Let's get back to unboxing. Let's open this guys. Okay. Oh, oops. Okay. कुछ तो दिया इन लोगों ने. Traya का scan. I think if you scan this, you will. Okay, yeah. The prescription of the Traya app. Okay. And here are the product guys. Okay, you all can see the product. I think. Okay. पैसा तो खर्चे है 1650 rupees for this kit and it's a 1 month kit. That's what they say. But let's see if it actually sustains me for one month or not. So saying that, first I have this shampoo guys. Okay, it is a paraben free anti dandruff shampoo. It's written here for level 1. Okay, दो मुझे तो लगता है कि कभी भी लगता है कि I might पता नहीं level 5 level 10 भी हो level Z भी हो सकता है. So anyway, it is mentioned here level 1 and this is the shampoo which is pretty small if you see the size. Let's open this. ऊपर Traya भी लिखा हुआ है, so it's entirely Traya का ही product है पूरा. Okay, the shampoo is literally smaller than my palm size guys. मेरा हाथ ही काफ़ी छोटा है if you all see, and it is this much and they say that it's supposed to last you for 1 month, which right now I'm not sure कि कैसे चलेगा ये bottle का size देखने के बाद, but let's hope for the best. अगर ख़त्म हो गया तो ख़रीदना ही पड़ेगा. But yeah, so this is the first product guys. Secondly, we have this oil. So it's a scalp oil and I was just going through their मतलब जो item मतलब जो manual है ना, I was just going through them after I received the package and I saw that इस पे कुछ product है and this is the oil का container. तो you need to basically mix the both of them and then you need to apply, or I mean massage the oil. So this is it. It says that it helps stimulate hair follicles and yeah, there's some health oil shot, the chota wala jo dabba hai, with ORPL bergamot and then something that I can't pronounce guys. YLANG. How do I pronounce this? So anyway, ये दोनों product comes for the oil, which I think ये फिर भी ठीक है because oil तो हफ्ते में 2 बार ही लगाने के लिए बोला है. You get the manual as in the directions of how to use along with the kit, so that's one good thing. Yeah, so the oil I feel it is pretty good compared to the shampoo का size. ये तो काफ़ी छोटा है. Let's hope for the best. Next also they have given this nasal drop. This one I'm very curious about क्योंकि मैंने मेरा hair problem था and they have sent me a nasal drop, so I couldn't really get the reason. It says that it helps you sleep stress free, so I don't know. आजकल तो वैसे मुझे इतना stress होता भी नहीं है. I think so the sit and talk video तो नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं तो I could have told you that what led to this intense amount of hair fall and why अभी मैं बॉदर हो रही हूँ एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई वॉज इन अ वेरी टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप. वहाँ पे जब आई वॉज इन दैट सिचुएशन ना, आई वॉज ऑल्सो इन अ वेरी टॉक्सिक वर्क प्लेस, एज इन द वर्क टाइमिंग्स वर वेरी टॉक्सिक. एंड मेरा माई हेल्थ वॉज गोइंग ऑन अ टॉस, माई मेंटल हेल्थ वॉज गोइंग ऑन अ टॉस, एंड आई डेंट नो वॉट टू डू. सो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ना मुझे लगा कि मेरा आई एम इन द फिफ्थ स्टेज ऑफ हेयर लॉस एंड नथिंग कैन बी डन नाउ. द ओनली पॉइंट इज आइदर गो टू अ कैंसर स्पेशलिस्ट or just get an hair transplant done. But anyway, nowadays, after coming out of that situation, after coming out of that job, I think my stress level has gone down. Though at times I do have breakdowns, and I think a lot of us go through breakdowns, and I think we can talk about it later. I just don't want to mix all the topics together. I'm all over the place. So, anyway, this must be helping me to at least get a minimum of 8 to 9 hours of sleep, which I usually get अगर मैं जल्दी सो जाऊँ. और मेरा sleep as such डिस्टर्ब होता भी नहीं. आई रेयरली गेट अप इन द बिटवीन फॉर पीइंग और समथिंग. मैं एक बार सीधे ही सुबह उठती हूँ. सो या, good enough for me. But yeah, we should try this because it comes in the kit and I have paid for this. Also, we are hoping for the best for our hair. So yeah, in that case. Now next, this is a very interesting thing, guys. It's a minoxidil topical solution, USP 2% weight by volume. So it's an alcohol free minoxidil से आई मीन जो कि हेयर पे फॉर्मूला है जो कि हेयर पे लगाने होते हैं. एंड इट सेज दैट it's an advanced formula with advanced lipid technology which is ideal for those with sensitive scalp, and it will promote hair growth. And I have heard a lot about minoxidil. So this also comes in the kit. So this kit has entirely four products. Now I will not be immediately starting with this range because I have been already using minoxidil, जो कि मैं अभी दिखाऊंगी. I have also ordered that along with these. So yes, I'm gonna keep this Triaca range for starting with the next month. This month I'm going to be continuing with the thing that I have already started using, which I'm going to show you in a while. So it is this, guys. It's Wish Care Ka Hair Growth Serum Concentrate with 3% Redensyl, 4% Anagen, 2% Bicepil, caffeine, biotin, rosemary and rice water. I'm sure a lot of you have already seen this in several e-commerce के sites. It is going viral. Now I'm not sure कि ये कितना help करेगा. But yes, with all good notes and with all positivity, I'm gonna start using this. I have already used this I think for last 3 to 4 days constantly. फिर कल मिस हो गया मेरा एक दिन, जो कि आज मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. Now the good thing about this is ये ना लगाने के बाद you don't need to wash your hair. You can just apply it and just forget it, and do the same for all the days. So I'm going to open this and show you guys कितना होता है इसके अंदर. I paid a lot of money for this. It's almost around 700, and I had ordered this from Blinkit because it comes like ऐसे ही आ जाता है, right? So this is this much quantity, guys. ठीक है, मतलब I think for a month this should sustain. I also do the derma roller, so I think this is showing visible results. I'm going to show you all the products today. I think a lot of you guys must be needing hair care solutions. To be very honest, guys, food does a lot of things to your health. Okay. Secondly, a lot of water is needed, जो कि I also miss out. I absolutely drink very less water, which is also why my skin looks very dehydrated towards the later part of the day. Towards after the afternoon, post lunch, I look really dehydrated. But touch wood, my skin age is really young. So touch wood, मेरा ऐसा कोई pimples वगैरह, acne, nothing as such. it is good. and थोड़ा बस पिगमेंटेशन के प्रॉब्लम्स है हियर एंड देयर ना, इतना सन रेज के लिए आई एम वेरी मच एक्सपोज टू द सन एंड आई डोंट टेक केयर एज मच एज इट्स नीडेड. So that's the reason I have some pigmentation here. I have also ordered a forgic acid का serum जो कि मैं दिखाऊंगी. So this is the hair care guys. I am mainly focusing on this wish care अभी and traya अभी. So let's get this done first and let's see the results. अभी तो hair थोड़ा condition it's better, I would say better than before. But that again because of a lot of reasons. It's also stress जो कि मैंने I mentioned, right? So it is very important that you have uh, less stress when you consider your hair issues, right? So saying that, I would like to just end this haul. Whoever of you need the links, I will be mentioning the links in the description box. You all can check it out from there. It's available everywhere. I'm sure I'm late to put it out in the vlog, but whoever come across this vlog, I need help for hair. You all can just check out the link because I'm that one person who is suffering heavily from it, and I'm really doing a lot from my end as much as possible. So yeah. Now moving on guys, ये छोटा सा एक haul था I wanted to show you guys, and I'll also be giving you updates as in what are the results, कैसा जा रहा है, and if there are any visible changes within 1 week. Every weekend I come up with vlogs, right? So yeah. Now sit and talk वाला video I'm not sure अभी होगा कि नहीं, because I had a lot of work, but I really wanted to show you all what exactly Traya has sent, because I had got this parcel almost 3 to 4 days back, but I genuinely wanted to unbox it in this vlog because not only because of content but also because I wanted it to be out there in the people. And um, it's just that it is one of my insecurities. So I just wanted people to know that definitely okay to have insecurities, but it is not okay to not enjoy to the fullest. मैं कहीं पे तो पढ़ रही थी that it's only one life, and it is okay that if you don't want to go work out, it's okay if you don't want to go for gym, and if you don't want to have a body, perfect body, it's totally fine, but it's just one life. At least have it, at least do it once and see how it feels to have that one perfect aesthetic looking body, or to have that aesthetic hair, or to have that aesthetic skin, right? So just do it once and then see the magic. So yeah, there you go guys. Now next is I have a lot of work today. मुझे Monday को मेरा college में भी जाना है. I have an internal to write, so that has to be done. And guys, this month I couldn't invest on the tripod stand, the mic and all of that, because this month a lot of expenses went for my skin, my hair and all of that, right? So maybe next month I am planning on investing on a few things. So we will have that session one day कि what is the right way of investment, कहाँ पे कर सकते हो, कहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते हो, right? If you can do it on stocks, if you can do it on some side hustle. So we'll discuss about all that. But first, my room is a mess guys. Let's fix that quickly. And कुछ पढ़ना भी है, but बहुत बातें भी बताने थे. I'm not sure कब बताऊंगी. The main problem here is guys, I'm not getting a proper setup, and to be very honest, ऐसे I'm not able to figure out the angles, and if everything is just fine, because yeah. So coming back to my dreams guys, I've always wanted to be an actress, okay? Even when, as I was mentioning, even when I was not aware of what an actress can do or what acting is, I just knew that I wanted to be out there all the time. And this when I was in 7th standard or something, so it's not 7, I think ninth or something. So we had a friends group और वहाँ पे किसी के relative was an astrologer. So my parents decided to that person to get my charts read. और मैं गई थी and I was very young at a stage where you know our minds get developed, our minds get trained, right? So I went and I very in a childlike manner I asked him, uncle, just tell me if I can become an actress, and you know I want to act, I want to get famous. And you know what he said in front of my parents, सबके सामने ऐसे ही बोले, नहीं तुमसे नहीं होगा ये सब, तुमसे ये सब नहीं होगा, तुम्हें कुछ डॉक्टर बनना है, तुम्हें कुछ इंजीनियर बनना है, all of that. And it hurt my motivation so much, it hurt my you know, क्या होता है ना, एक ड्रीम्स होते हैं बच्चे के, लाइक इवन दे आर नॉट श्योर व्हाट दे वांट टू डू एट 8th स्टैंडर्ड और 9th स्टैंडर्ड. मुझे तो पायलट भी बनना था, मुझे तो एस्ट्रोनॉट भी बनना था, राइट? बट ओवर टाइम all those dreams leave us, right? As we grow up, not every child goes and becomes an astronaut. So over time even I lost interest in becoming an astronaut and all of that. But one thing was constantly in my mind, that I had to become famous, right? And at that point of time, that person out of nowhere came and said that you know, these dreams are unreal, you can't be an actress and all of that, which hurt me, right? Which hurt me so much. And I always had this immense I broke down from bit, like within, even though I was too young to understand what is breaking down. But now when I think, right, it had demotivated me to such an extent where I had started building a wall around myself, where I stopped talking to people, where I stopped telling people what I wanted to become and all of that, because I thought कि लोगों को फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता, and they just don't understand. Because also they just don't understand, technically there's just no reason out of it, okay? People are just dumb sometimes. My hair is such a mess today, I need to oil my hair and I need to also shampoo it. कुछ जुगाड़ लगाई हूँ, and somehow the I have managed to keep the phone at place. So as you all saw, and then what happened कि मुझे ना बुरा लगने लगा, and I had gotten distracted from the, you know, from the path कि ठीक है चलो मुझे एक्ट्रेस नहीं बनना. एंड देन ओवर टाइम, टिल फ्यू मंथ्स बैक आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, नॉट नीडेड, यू नो, विल डू समथिंग एल्स. एंड बट आई ऑलवेज न्यू कि मुझे फेमस तो बनना ही है, लाइक आई हैव टू डू समथिंग ह्यूज. लाइक आई एम जस्ट नॉट ओके बाय, you know, sitting and doing nonsense. Guys, I think I need to use the mic because I don't want everyone else to hear what I'm talking. So let's use the mic. Hi guys, तो मैंने ना एक जुगाड़ लगाया. मैं ईयरफोन्स का जो माइक होता है उसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ. Anyway, moving on. क्या हुआ था, few days back ना, as I was saying in my first vlog, I'm very spiritual, alright. So मुझे बहुत कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आ जाता है. I mean intuitive, and my senses are like really really high. I can sense energies, I can yeah. Moving on, I अचानक से felt कि कुछ हो रहा है, I need to do something big, okay? एक अंदर से ना calling आ रहा है. Then I thought कि chalo, let's make vlogs, let's get out there with this energy. And yesterday I was just talking to a friend and I was just saying, I was yapping, you know, to her कि I don't know what to do, क्या content बनाऊँ, कैसे करूँ. There's so much in the head but I'm not able to put it forward to people. And then she just said one thing, that hey Moshri, to do anything, just be yourself, and I think it is more than enough. Your energy is more than enough. And that is when I thought कि यार ये तो सही बात है. I have never been like something else. I've always been this, okay, this lost जो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ दिमाग में चलता रहता है, एंड आई सी समथिंग एल्स एंड आई एम दिस मैड गर्ल. But people have loved me and people have given me that space, that spotlight all the time. And since childhood, that is one reason why I've always thought that I want to be famous, I want to be out there, and I just want power. And I wanted that attention, that limelight, that people knowing me I'm doing something big. And she was like, just be yourself. तू ड्रामा मत कर, बस तू जो भी है ना तू वैसे ही रहे कैमरा पे भी. सो दैट इज़ वन थिंग विच आई थॉट टुडे आई एम गोना बी टेलिंग विथ यू गाइज, दैट आई एम जस्ट गोना बी माई सेल्फ गाइज. I don't want to put any false notions out there. I'm a very basic girl. I think I have faced a lot of things which has made me this spiritual, this intuitive, and I think sometimes it's a boon maybe कि इतना दिमाग में इतना कुछ है, and it's sometimes very intriguing कि when I understand things that people are want to say, people के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है and all of that, what's gonna happen. Sometimes I can even predict that. That's like the most scariest thing. So I thought ki let's not give to unnecessary people out there who will suck on my energy and just have a very good life, because I'm that person. My friends and everyone, my office colleagues, जिनके भी मैं लाइफ से गुजरी हूँ, they all have just said one thing, that your energy is something very unusual. So I thought ki not everyone needs this energy, right? So I thought that through YouTube, I'm sure I'll be reaching out to a very strong set of people. Let it be men, let it be women. I don't want to attract nonsense. That is something that I want to keep out of and from my aura. Okay, I don't want any negativity. um I think this vlog is gonna come across someone's feed who will need this right now. Ki everything is gonna be fine. You just need to trust the process, and there's nothing beyond that, and you need to give in completely. ठीक है. Now, moving on, थोड़ा सा sit and talk वीडियो हो सकता है. Yeah, talking about my current life, as I said, it's amazing, and there's something very fun that happened yesterday. So I went to my college, and my HOD suddenly came up to me and said that I want a favor from you. So I was like, yes sir, please, I can do. Yeah, tell me what it is. And he was like, can you come to your college and I'll gather all the design students, all the mechanical, जो भी mechatronics, electrical departments के जो students है, first year, second year के students, third year, fourth year के students, I'll get all of them. Can you do a speech for 1 hour in the auditorium about your company and about your products and everything? I was like, oh my god, is this for real? And trust me guys, my HOD was the one who had detained me for attendance purpose. I am not even kidding. He didn't even like me, he harassed me. My college life was miserable because of him, but that particular person came up to me yesterday and wanted this from me. I was on cloud nine. I didn't know what to say. I was just blushing. I was like, yes sir, of course, that'll be a great opportunity for me. So yeah, current life is pretty good when it comes to the professional side of it. Personal side, I would say I am, again, I'm a very spiritual person guys, and I over time I have detached myself from every negativity, negative people, negative energy, negative talks, negative thoughts, and I have completely surrendered to that one, everything and nothing. Okay, I love that one person or one alien or one god, whoever you call him. I just love that one thing, and there's nothing that makes me happy more than him listening to me or me talking to him. So I have I'm in such a safe space right now that I don't even see the necessity of having some partner, which I'm not saying that it's not necessary, but at the moment I feel like I am dependent on just two things, on myself and on that one, God. Okay, I believe in Krishna, I believe in Radha. So yeah, I love them, and I think I always have thought that I want someone to take care of me. That was the only need that I had, to have a boy in my life. Because why a boy or a man when they can, right? They are doing wonders, right? So, yeah, my current relationship, I think I can say that I'm single. Uh, and relationship with him, that's all. Now, moving on, aims in life is to build something of my own. Be an actress, I would say. Right now, again, I am planning to just try out my luck. So, any one of you who comes across this, and if you all think that you all are looking for someone who can be a small part of your videos, of you're a video maker or producer, whatever, so y'all can just let me know. I would be interested to give it a try. And yeah, so aim in life would still be, becoming an actress, firstly. Second would being so famous. Third would be to spread so much love and positivity that people shouldn't be thinking of anything negative. Like it shouldn't even come through their to their mind, because I think I have gone through so much pain, you would say, unwantedness. Those things have always made me realize that I don't want other people to go through the same situation. So yes, I would still want to do the same. Aim in life is to build a community of very positive minded people. Um, and yeah, just to be famous, so famous and rich. Guys, I think someone has come to clean this space. So it being a Saturday, of course, I'll just go and check. So let's go out now and grab some lunch. I don't know where the Zomato guy is. He's not able to figure out where I am. I'm not able to figure out where he is. So yeah, it's a bit of a situation right now, guys. So something fun had to be done since आज पूरे दिन घर पे ही रहने वाले. And also my flatmate was saying that what do you do most of the times you are in room. Of course I'm in room because I don't want to spoil my aura by just doing anything and everything, right? But there's something interesting, guys, that I was waiting for so long to get done, and finally, I think I will get it done. There's a lot of rumor or talks going about this vision board, and I was highly interested, as in, I'm super interested to know what is all about this vision board, and if it really works out or not. So I recently just now got some printouts from Blinkit, and all the pictures are selected by me. These were pictures that were saved in my Pinterest, So yeah, now one confusion that I have is where do I put the posters? Because firstly, I made a little dumb mistake. I took normal paper printouts, which could be like literally taken. I could have done it even in my office printer, but then I didn't use my brain a lot and I literally went and just got paper printouts. Now, with that, there's a little bit of confusion because I don't want to literally put it in this wall, so that's my bed. And initially, I was just a moment, guys, I'll turn the camera and I'll show you. Initially, I was thinking of putting the posters here, guys. But right now, I'm also thinking if I should, since the cupboard is completely white, I was thinking why not like put some posters here, but also I have another plan, that is why not decorate the balcony, because most of the time, if y'all could peep in my life, most of the time I am chilling in the balcony. This is the place where I feel really nice to spend my time after, let's say, a very hectic day at work, or even when I'm just chilling all by myself. I really like to sit in the balcony. So I was thinking could just put the posters here, like in this white space here, or this part of the wall. And then what I was thinking is just putting some lights here and there. So this area is like really, it's really having the potential, to be very honest. But I look just so excited about the pictures right now. But let me quickly show you guys of what are the pictures that I have gotten printed. And yes, so I think let's get started with making our vision board together, and also little backstories about it, maybe today, maybe some other time. But yes, now let's get started. Before I started, I want to show you what kind of pictures I got. A few of them. So this is the backstories I'm gonna give maybe later on, but for now, these are few of the pictures. As you all can see, I took them printouts in the paper printout, which is the mistake that I have done, but I think it looks good here. I'm not very sure, but yes, this is a plan. Or what I was thinking, this can be a plan here, but if I put it here, guys, the entire cupboard is gonna get filled up, and also we might not be able to like always look at it. So what I'm thinking is, what if I put it here, which is also a great idea, I think, I believe. But with the lights, again, I'm a bit skeptical, as if I should put it here on the wall, or it should go actually in the balcony wall. I'm a bit skeptical. Also, aesthetics really matter to me nowadays. Why do I look so bloated? My face, it looks so bloated, as if um anyway, can't help. So this has to be done today, and I know from the morning I was supposed to study, but trust me, guys, when I say that I'm in no mood to study, I just want to be doing, having fun, ultimate fun, because I think I've been waiting for this phase of my life from a long time, and I'm sure a lot of you people can relate. Uh, Whoever were going through ups and downs, mostly downs a lot, if not downs, at least traumatic situations, hectic situations where you didn't know how to manage, what to do, how things will work out. But trust me, this is the time when everything is working out, and I'm so happy, so proud that I am doing this, and along with me, I'm sure whoever is coming across this video, I'm sure you all are doing your very best. So saying this, let's get started by this vision board. Thinking is, if I put the pictures here, then I will definitely need to put on some lights, which right now might be a problem. But also, if I put it in the room I don't really want the walls to actually get so messed up, because since these are not like posters, these are like paper printouts, they might stick to the wall. And me, since I live in a rented place, there are a lot of do's and don'ts. So I'm not sure if this is a do situation that I can actually go for it, or maybe I have to put it on the outside wall. Okay, so saying that, guys, let's begin. I'm gonna keep you guys here, and then I'm gonna begin my walk. See you guys. Hi guys, I want to do this as soon as possible, so I've finally decided that the picture should definitely go in this wall. I don't want the light to go off, and it's the sunset time, so yeah, I want you all to see how it looks before the sun goes down. Let's quickly get started. So I'm gonna put the pictures first randomly, and then we're gonna talk because we don't have a lot of time, guys. So keeping that in mind, let's go.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone but
Just look at it, guys. Even though there are some loose spaces जिनका कुछ करना पड़ेगा, but apart from these loose spaces, just look at this wall, guys. Automatically this is looking so changed. Help, because this is supposed to be a vision board. So this is my vision board, and I didn't get anything else, because these are the only thing that I'm going to focus in 2025. Saying that, I would like to sit and just talk to you about what exactly my vision board means. So if you all are interested, you all can definitely just check it out. So I already don't know where to begin from, but okay, let's start from the top. So if you can see this picture, I'm so sorry guys, I'm very short. So if you see that picture, it's a girl, and there are like several people around her getting her ready. So yeah, and if you can see, there are certain boss lady kind of pictures. She is going for a helicopter, this female here. So I basically always wanted to, so as I was saying, I've always wanted to become famous. I've always wanted to act, and I think previously I was saying that how I got demotivated and how I suddenly just dropped the plan. So this year, 2025, is gonna be all about myself. It's all about my vision. So yeah, that is what I want to do. I want people to be all the time around me, getting me prepped and decked and all of that, making me look pretty. Secondly, also if you saw, I'm sure, the girl going towards the helicopter, so which means that I really want to become so rich. Guys, why do I feel there's some pictures that are missing out? I think I had one more picture that's very weirdly, it just vanished. Moving on, guys. If you can see, that picture is a Mustang, and a horse here is a horse again, which means absolute which means of course this year I am planning to uh, join I mean learn how to tackle a horse. So that is one of my dreams that has always been into me. I've always liked things like this, like horse riding and stuff like that, but I've never really gotten a chance. So 2025 is all about taking the chances, making the chances, right? So yeah, if you can see that this picture, you can see a girl is yeah, shooting. So that is another one. I know this 2025 is my vision board looks like very active vision, very dynamic in order to actually achieve all of this. But yeah, we'll just take one step at a time and we'll just figure out. The year has just started. It's going to be a long year, so we will figure everything out slowly. Moving on, you can see this is something that I really want. Okay, moving on, you can see here uh, a cute couple. So also I'm manifesting a good partner, a good life, a good understanding, hot, handsome person. This is what I understood from this is being in your divine self. Let it be masculine, let it be feminine, the gender really don't matter, but for me this is my vision board. So this year I have thought, not 2025 to be very honest, from 2024 itself I have had this change in me which I am absolutely in love with. Just being authentic with yourself and authentic with others about yourself is something that you can do for yourself. Trust me, guys, when I say this, just be authentic, and I think everything else will be taken care of. My resolution, not just for 2025, but for an ultimate glow up for myself. I want to show you the rest of the few pictures, and then we're gonna be ending this vlog. Yeah. Excuse my nails, guys, they are just miserable now that I see them. Yeah, and this is the view, guys. So yeah, coming back to them, without them nothing is possible. So Radha Krishna, my Hari needs to be here. Moving on, if you see, you should see me in a crown. And I exactly don't know what backstory I have to give off with this one, because uh, I've been in a state for a quite long time where I felt like, you know, everything is just falling apart, and yeah, I am nothing. All these self doubts and insecurities, as I mentioned, right? A lot of other insecurities, looks, hair, clothes, money. Over time, I've realized uh, the only insecurity that should be bothering us at this era is our knowledge, our intelligence, our skills. I think those are the only things that should actually be really bothering us. If you're lagging there, then I think you should quickly or game up, and yeah, that's the only way out. Then realize that I have to give importance to myself, and so do you. So yeah, if you can resonate from my vision board, you all can definitely make one for yourself, and just look at it every day and think how beautiful life is, how beautiful you are, and how beautiful your visions can be. So your visions are a reflection of yourself, of your fate. So just believe it and just go for it, guys. Trust. You should see me in a crown is for all those people who have made me believe that I am nothing. Not only people, it's also for myself, because there are times when I've been harsh with myself, when I've been rude to myself, and that's just not fair, right? So yeah, that's the vision. Guys, you all can see this picture. This is a very pretty workplace. I just hope I had taken all these printers, I mean the pictures, in a poster form, but that option was not available, and my brain also had been, I think it just stopped working that time. So I took this paper printouts, and you can see the situation. But anyway, we're good to go for this for the moment. Now this is something that I absolutely want: a very pretty view with a workspace and a dedicated workspace, work from home, a side hustle, a business, yeah, etc. moving on, a space for myself. I told you this is Dubai. Yeah, I think we have to talk about this particular poster in another vlog because there are some gossips about it, guys. Moving on, here you can see a lady is meditating under the moon. Yeah, that's something that I love to do, and I'll be doing even more. 2024 was different, as in I realize right now at this point of time that I was still myself trying to find who I really am, whereas 2025 will be more of action. As you can see my vision board, now that I see my vision board, it's so action oriented, which means like nothing is gonna come easy, guys. So if I really want these, I really have to put in the effort. And yeah, I think everything is achievable if the efforts are going in the right place. uh, Same goes to everything, your relationship, your anything, guys. Yeah, this one you can see a very pretty open cupboard situation. Yeah, this is not something that I like I'm dying to have, but definitely it comes with all of this. So yeah, this is an add-on. Here you can see a girl, and I don't want to speak about this a lot. This is something my dream is. I talk about it, the more I'll get emotional about this, so I really don't want to. This is something that I've been manifesting since I think the time I was born, even without knowingly. Um, so pictures which represents, I mean, which completely speaks me. So yeah, it feels really good for myself to look at my dreams right in front of my eyes. I am feeling a very different feeling, guys. I've never felt like this actually, and I'm capturing this moment in camera because I think it's very important to just sit and analyze these kind of these kind of feelings. Just to sit with yourself and let yourself soak in all this, suddenly I don't know why it happened to me. I was just vlogging, and suddenly I thought that this is all that I've been wanting to do in my entire life. Yeah, it feels good, guys, just to see it in front of my eyes. It definitely feels I think amazing. All right, so yeah, I want to बहुत कुछ करना है. I I'm in love with my vision board, guys, and I'm sure this is gonna be very helpful for a lot of us, a lot of people like us who suffers from motivation and who don't really know how to figure out things. And what is this manifestation? Even this is my first time, guys. I'm trying something like this vision board. I am seeing this a lot over the internet, over YouTube. I was quite curious, as in, does this actually work out? I mean, if it does, then why not? Let's give it a try. And as I said in the beginning of my vlog, that this vlogging channel is all about growing together, a journey that we're supposed to remember forever, guys. I am growing. I definitely want you all to come across my video. Keep moving. For example, I'll just give you all a quick example, and then I swear I'm gonna finish this. So actually had to study today because, as I said, Monday I have my internals. But just trust me, I could not sit down to study with a focused mind, because in my head I've always wanted to do this vision board and etc. I wanted to act, I wanted to dance, I wanted to do something which will actually make me move. So I thought, why not? Okay, chalo, let's make this vision board then. So now it is done, and I'll be in touch with you all, of course, through this vlog, through this channel. I'm sure a lot of you guys will be um, sharing your vision boards with me. Do drop a comment, like, and share, subscribe to my channel. Guys, I am ending this vlog here. Now I'm not very sure कि कितना बड़ा vlog हुआ है. सो टाइमिंग का भी थोड़ा इधर उधर हो ही रहा है, आई एम श्योर, बट आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी दैट टुडे आई कुड कवर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स knowingly unknowingly. It came out all good for this vlog. So yeah, thanks a lot everyone who is watching my vlog. आज का भी जो sit and talk वाला situation होने वाला था, that also I seriously couldn't figure out. बीच में थोड़ा तो बात हुई थी, but I know it wasn't something that I wanted to put out there. वो ठीक से again structure problem हो गया था. But I will try to make a vlog maybe on Monday or Tuesday. So 14th is my birthday, and ऐसा कुछ special तो होगा नहीं, क्योंकि of course office में छुट्टी है, and I don't really want to engage with a lot of people on these special days. New Year सोच लो या तो birthday सोच लो. These days I really want to sit and just soak in everything. Okay. So maybe we'll do a nice exciting vlog in few days where I'll be actually sitting and talking to you guys about myself, about what's going on currently in my life, if I have a boyfriend or no. जो कि मैंने शायद इस vlog में थोड़ा कुछ बोल दिया था, but I don't remember right now. And I won't be editing anything also. जो भी बोला, that will just go just like that. Now in the next video I'll make sure to talk about all about myself, what am I doing in this YouTube channel, and what is the bigger picture, right? And my aims, my goals, my everything, right? So till then, have a nice time you guys. I am sure something you might have liked out of this video, so do let me know अगर मेरा पहले वीडियो से ये वाला वीडियो में थोड़ा changes आए हैं या नहीं. Talk about the way I'm looking at the camera, about the way I'm presenting myself. If you all think that there are any good changes, bad changes, you all can let me know. If there is something, कोई feedback, कोई input, you all can let me know. And do like, share and subscribe. Drop a cute comment. Tell me about your vision boards 2025 plans. Do ask any random questions, and I'll be most happy to come there and share things about myself, because I think that's how we both can get started. By the way guys, I'm just so much in love with this vision board, guys. Just so much in love with this vision board. I cannot, just cannot. Chalo, bye.
I'm dreaming in dreams.